Hey, welcome aboard. This is Justin Costello with MarineMax in Pompano Beach, and I want to walk you aboard our brand new 2018 Boston Whaler 380 Outrage. Alright guys, welcome aboard the 380 Outrage. You can see here we have a port side dive door. Ladder goes in the base right there. Full transom seat, large enough to fit 4 adults on the back. This boat's powered with triple 350 horsepower Verados with joystick piloting. Large bait well. What I love here is you got a table right here and opposing seating. Cup holders on both sides, grab handles on both sides. Really useful when you're underway. And there's a telescoping shade, sure shade that comes out here and can shade in the entire cockpit for your guests to be very comfortable. We also got this one with a flip down starboard side seat, which is enough for 2 adults. This boat has in-floor fish boxes. Move forward. We got this boat equipped, like I said, with the joystick piloting option and the newest and greatest screens by Marine. These are twin 16-inch Axiom Pros. Built-in 1,000 watt sonar transducer capabilities. Again, this also has AC at the helm. Fusion stereo. 3 seats at the front, all vented, flip down armrests. The center seat is the captain's seat and electrically actuates forward and backwards depending on the height that you need. This one's also equipped with the Seakeeper gyro stabilizer. If you haven't experienced that, it's about 70% reduction in roll on the boat movement. This one also has a cabin, diesel generator, air conditioning, plenty of room down here to escape from the sun, take a nap. You got rod holders, port windows, sink, and they made a bulkhead, which I like, and they have a separate toilet and shower with air conditioning down here in the cabin. Nice teak steps. Coming back out. Look at how high these gunnels are. Look at that subwoofer. They really did an awesome job with the premier stereo system on this boat. It's a JL audio system. We also have 2 flip down trolling seats on either side of the gunnels. Nice cubby storage here. This is a great fishing boat, great social boat. This table goes down electrically. Now we have backrests that can flip up, so your guests here are below the gunnels, can cruise comfortably in rough water. This turns into a sun pad. They got their own stereo controls here. Triple wide lounger. Again, it's equipped with a FLIR camera, radar, gyroscopic stabilizer. This boat is loaded and ready to hit the water. Again, this is Justin Costello, MarineMax, Pompano Beach, showing you our brand new, just got delivered here, 380 Outrage. Give me a call, 954-633-2070.